learn how to do the prep. To do the prep, first stand in a strong dancer position and face towards the right. After facing towards the right, lift your hands in a blade hand gesture from your elbow and roll it. 1, 2, 3, 4. While rolling, bend your left leg and lift your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just as you do in the beat. So you roll twice and then you just place your hands one over the other. Left hand down and right hand up. And you face towards the left side. Once you face towards the left side, you just do a seesaw with your hands. 1, 2. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Towards the left, you do the seesaw, and while doing the seesaw, you dip towards the right side. You just go 1, 2, 3, 4. So, altogether, this move looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. So that's how you do the prep. Let's do it on music. So that's how you do the prep. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.